Hello, back for my monthly video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Coke Zero Sugar Orange Cream flavor. My initial thoughts, looking at the packaging, looking at the can, is that this is going to be like Fanta almost, but with a creamy taste to it. Alright, so that is exactly what it tastes like. What does this remind me of? I've tasted a soda like this before. I think it may have been Diet 7-Up with the same flavor infused in it. But I'm tasting more orange than Coke Zero. Solid. This tastes really good. It's just that the orange really powers this drink. That was solid. You know what this actually reminds me of? Not 7-Up's orange. I don't even think there's an orange flavor for 7-Up. It's actually Sunkist Zero. I had that a few years ago almost, and that is exactly what this reminds me of. But with a slight, a less citrusy taste. The way I would rate the proportion of flavors is 10% Coke Zero, 90% orange. I'm sorry you had to witness that unbearably, ungodly, unacceptable burp. That is what I like to call a gag burp. I didn't have a gag reflex on that, but it sounded so disgusting that it sounds like I was trying to throw up. I'm sorry you had to listen to that. That sounded so tinny at the end. Man, these burps have been great so far. This doesn't feel as fizzy / acidic as a regular Coke Zero. I wonder if this has a higher pH level than Coke Zero. I'll do this next one right up at the lens. Why not? I hope that really picked up the bass. I enjoyed Coke Zero Orange Cream. I just wish it had more of that Coke Zero flavor that I love and adore. If y'all remember, that Coke Zero review back in 2021 is what started this thing off. That's where it all started. Why not another one? That wasn't that close to the lens, but hey, it probably sounded really bassy, huh? I have to admit that this was a relaxing video to do. I have to give a lot of credit to Coke Zero Orange Cream. because the flavor isn't too acidic. It doesn't have as much cola taste, but it makes it less fizzy. Makes it a lot easier to drink because you don't have to wait for the fizz to dissipate. And it really eased tension, what can I say? So this was a very relaxing video, and I hope the burps were soothing and therapeutic. That does it for my once a month video. I hope you all enjoyed.